Hey, what's going on, guys? It's your boy Lenny. Today we have a lot ahead of us. Right now I'm gonna start mocking up the other fender flare and then make sure to screw it in, and then we're gonna have to cut it as well. And then today we're also gonna go shoot with Tony for a little bit. They're wrapping another car, so we're gonna go film a little bit of that. It's gonna be fun. I think it's all in chrome as well, and it's really tough material to wrap, but it seems like it's gonna be really cool. So yeah, let's get today started. So I've done some measuring, and I'm not quite sure what was up with my measurements, but I guess everything that I had measured before when I had it on the car ready to go on this fender, all those measurements are kind of screwed up because they do not correspond to the holes on this fender. So I decided that I'm just gonna go ahead and drill it into here. Hopefully this is the right spot. If not, I mean, whatever. But it seems to be matching the other one, so I think we'll be okay. It's kind of sketchy. I don't really know. Right now, I've just finished doing the cutting on the fender flare, as you guys saw. So the next step is sanding down the actual fender and then the back side of the flare, and then we can glue it on and make sure it stays on there, so that we can have it seal up for tomorrow and then start working on the other fender. And then this one, we've got to do a lot more sanding and smoothing, so I got to go pick up more discs at Lowe's. But Tony just texted me, and we're gonna go ahead and head over to his shop real quick and start filming. And then also we've got to return Zon's Dremel. Big shout out to Zonny boy for the Dremel. It's his dad's and he needs it back tonight, but we have just finished using it and cutting, so we won't need it anymore, which is really awesome. So yeah, so we're gonna go ahead and run all of those errands at the same time. First drop off the Dremel, then go over to Tony's, and then we'll see what's up from there. I'm gonna come back over here and then glue this panel on, and then we'll have this one to work on in the meantime. And then tomorrow, once that's all cured and dried, we can start working on that side. So heck yeah, let's get going. Just called Zon to double check to make sure he's there, and he is. So we're gonna go ahead and drop off this thing, and then we'll head on over to Tony's shop. I'm driving, of course, the van today because well, that V6 power. All right, let's get going. It wasn't raining like 3 minutes ago. Now it's pouring down fucking rain, dude. I don't understand it. I hate this weather. It's supposed to be the middle of summer. Hey, Postal Service. So I ordered something and it got delivered to my apartment, and I'm down in Olympia right now. And I'm really sad about that because I really wanted to install it. That's like the one thing on the car that I really want to install, and I don't even get to play with it until I go back up there and grab it. And I can't justify wasting gas to go up one day and come back. So yeah, we'll just wait on that. But I am pretty excited to put that in. There's the man himself. Delivery.
How'd it do?
Good.
You get done when you need to get done?
Yeah, I just cut, actually.
Oh yeah?
So
nice.
That thing's primo. Shout out to Zon.
Got y'all.
Yo guys, we are here at Tony's shop. The boys are here. This is what we're wrapping, and this is the color. Am I allowed to show this?
Yeah, go for it.
I don't know if it's kept under wraps or not.
No, yeah,
under wraps.
I know, right? So we're actually leaving it black and white on Instagram and stuff like that, but on the YouTube video it's gonna show everything,
for sure.
which is super exciting.
So yeah, this stuff is really shiny.
Super gloss and
Dang.
metallic flake, dude. It's awesome.
Yeah.
Super excited.
We're headed to Dutch Bros. Let's go. Yo, the squad shit, bro. Driving the van. Yo. Big body, boys. Yo. The drinks are on lock. And then, all right, well, let's just get straight to filming then, because it's gonna be exciting. Woo. I may have picked out my wrap color. It is a metallic rose. Very pretty. Alrighty, that was a lot of fun. Hung out with Tony for a little bit. Now we're back at the house, and I bought some different kind of sandpaper from AutoZone there. And then we're looking over here now, kind of lining up where the fender flare sits so I can take these out and then find out where to cut on the actual fender to make that cut a little more clean. So we're gonna go ahead and do that right now, and then we're just gonna sand down everything and make it all smooth, and then we'll be ready to apply the glue and have it stick there for 24 hours, and then we can start working on the other side again. Let's do it. I finished up that fender, but check this out. It is so sunny right now. It is pouring down rain. Looks like somebody put a hose like right above our house and just started spraying. But here's what we got. Got some bare metal going here. Yeah, let's get this thing glued up. So I have been perfecting this side for the last couple hours, but it's ready for a little bit of primer. Ooh, it is so smooth. Just about to wipe this down one last time. Make sure there's no debris that it can stick to and then flake off with. Yeah, there's a little bit. And that'll be it. We'll be primering here. And then that'll be one side complete, and then we'll just be working on the other side from here on out. So yeah, progress. It's really exciting. And then also Thomas has a paint booth or a shop that we can paint at. So I'm just gonna be primering and nothing else, and then we'll do all the paint stuff there at his place. Alrighty, got some primer on the car. I think I'm gonna call it a day for today. But here it is. Not quite done drying yet, of course. And then there's some low spots that I gotta take care of still. A little bit of little bit of holes in there that I have spot putty for somewhere, and then she should be ready for paint on this side, and then I'll just be working on that side. So yeah, if you guys enjoyed this video, make sure you give it a thumbs up. Subscribe if you haven't already. We're almost at that 1K, so please subscribe if you enjoy these videos, and I will catch you guys next time. Peace.